Straight ahead.
Yeah.
Straight ahead of us. One, just push right, one push right. I just farted.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes that.
Hit.
Oh fuck. They're in that tree line off to our right. Robin, you're on the right. That's nice.
He's got to sneak in.
Go in front of the barrels. Down. See movement on the left, But quite far. Straight ahead. Yeah, he's backed off. I don't know what barrels Robin was on about. I'll move over a bit.
Behind the tree.
Oh, that's a fucking stinging nail. Hit! Ben, right in front of you! Laying down inside your hedge! There's one left! How the fuck have I not hit him yet? Either I'm shit, he's running off. Oh, he's dead. I think. Left. He's on that tree just in front of him. Literally directly in front of you, Ben, laying low.
There's like 2 snipers over there and I just can't do anything. I just pinned to a tree.
Is that bent tree in front of you, Ben?
Right.
Ben, watch our right. Ooh, that was right next to my fucking head. Holy shit. Ben, there's shots coming between us. Straight ahead.
Yeah, good shot!
I heard that, fucking hell. Right in front of you, Ben. Oh, fuck's sake, that's a bloody stick. Hit! Good shot!
That Bart and that's down there, he just fucking team killed me.
What, Bart?
Yeah.
Should we try and get back to him?
You can, but they are pushing hard over there. There's about 5 of them, 4 or 5 of them.
Got ya.
They are sweeping round handed, they've got one, haven't they?
Incorrect, mate, incorrect. They need to have their hard regen is behind the trenches, field side, behind the big bramble bush. Guys, don't sit here while I'm suppressing, push out.
Push. Follow him on.
Yeah, pull backward. Can't pull sideways. Sideways.
Guys, push forward.
Push forward, keep going forward.
Be quick.
Keep going, don't stop.
Keep going, Ben. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. One in the copse. Dead. Stay low. They are straight down in that hole. Ben, how are we looking?
Hit.
Squeeze past it.
Walking.
Oh, hit. Good shot, mate.
Dead man walking.
Dead man.
Oh, fuck, did he not? Another one in that head.
Dead man coming out.
He's dead.
Sorry, didn't see your hand. Yes. I just touched it, but I went too far.
Straight ahead. Friendly!
Right-hand side.
No, push round.
I don't know, I heard it going off, but then we shot. And it stopped, but I don't know, it hasn't gone bang.
To right.
Yep.
They had it beaten. I'm still got it.
On your right.
On the left. Another mag.
I'm in the field, Doctor.
Oh, fucking knee's killing me. Hey, good shot! That's friendly. Oh, fuck, that's not friendly. They're getting close. They're trying to get them through the hedge. Could be round. They're straight down on that trail somewhere. I could just see a white pair of shoes in there.
Left.
Offside the track.
Back, so
You can try to push forward a bit. Get to that hedge line. With them. Hit!
Gentlemen, been an honour.
For the wanker. No, for the anchor. It's private.
And there's stuff coming in from the left, hitting the tree.
Yeah, they're shooting.
Yep,
Yeah,
it's hitting the tree, not me.
Watch it.
Woo! Go ahead. Literally in this hedge directly in front of us, there was one. Still in there. In the hedge, moving left.
That's it. Good job, mate.
I know, I killed one of them. Right in front of us. Dead. Oh shit. Another one. Oh heck, good shot! Nice.
They are close.
Yep. I'm mad.
Grenade on his fire!
Lovely job. We've got friendlies in there now. Hit! Mate, that's a... Okay, fair enough. Yep. They're pushing up quite heavily, I think.
Yeah.
Come on, oi. Friendly on the building, pushing the window. They're about to be looking. Got you. I'll try to go around the outside of you. Just watch that building. I think there's one literally quite round this corner.
I haven't seen it yet, but I know there's one by the bridge saying.
Got you.
Oh, it might be out. Yeah, one behind the barrel, green barrel over there. Green list.
I see, Volvo container. Oh, you bitch. Ah, handy. That was nice. Oop. You know, you bitch. Ooh. That was the worst window hopping I've ever done.
Yeah, well done, man. Hey, dude, Marshall.
Hit the shot! I'm dead.
That building, I'll go that way.
They were in that window, but they're not there anymore.
No, I got him out earlier.
Nice.
Oh, Henry, come on, get alive off me. Yeah. Oh, it's well nice, like a jungle in there.
Yeah.
I came in the winter the first time I came in.
Yeah, it's cool when it all grows up.
Yeah.
There's one down there in the bushes. I can't see him for shit.
Yeah,
But he
snipers,
told me-
mate, that snipers on that side. Loads of them.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, I don't know if it was a sniper.
Oh, hit! Fucker.
One in that building.
What are you doing, Jake?
Lightening up the load a bit.
Yeah, I see that. Come on, let's go from live. Go in the windows, mate.
I know, I ran at 5 and got fucked.
I've got it on video, mate.
Nice.
The left window's down, the right window's still on. Through there, this one here.
Yep. Here you got him. That's over 2, mate. Yep. Press it.
Oh, yeah. No, that's alright.
Someone in this window.
Building 5 is dead!
Dead man walking!
Oh, good shot, buddy. Let's go get my grenade. Yeah, lovely. Smoke.
And get up to the hair scope at this bit here.
Wait. Might be. Wait. Jake.
Yep.
We'll launch another one down there, so we've got some more cover.
Hang on. A bit pinned down here at the minute, Ben. Oh, spider. They're in the shower block. Oh. Oh, hit! Oh, that was right in the jaw.